Alright, I'm going to show you the ignition sequence for your new EAGems cordless soldering iron. First you want to move your gas adjustment lever to about middle. Then place your thumb on the ignition switch and then press down on the safety lock button with your thumb and then press down on the ignition switch, and you'll hear a click when you do that. You can hear the flame come on. You'll see this little window start to glow, which indicates that the flame is on. Press your continuous flame button to the left, or push it over with your index finger. The flame is now on. It's locked on. Press the flame off button. It's a little quieter now, and the internal catalyst starts to work. And you're ready to solder. And if you want to shut your EAGems cordless soldering iron off, your continuous flame button, just press it over to the right and it shuts it off.